Now we're on to our last presentation by Andy Kang on Parkinson's disease.
Okay. Hello. So I'm gonna be talking about the Parkinson's disease today. So to people who are not familiar with the Parkinson's disease, it is a progressive disorder that affects the nervous system and the parts of the body controlled by the nerves. The symptoms that occur when you have the Parkinson's disease include slowness of movement, muscle stiffness, impaired balance and coordination, and tremor in hands, arms, legs, jaws, or head. So the hypothesis of today is that I believe that there are specific types of genes, whether they are overexpressed or underexpressed, that correlate with this particular type of disease. And the methods I used to prove my hypothesis were using the GEO website with research paper about the Parkinson's disease and its different grades of RNA metabolism involvement. So going on to the data analysis, I used, as you can see, there is a volcano plot, and the blue dots represent the underexpressed genes, and the red dots show the overexpressed genes. First talking about the underexpressed genes, I picked two significant underexpressed genes, which were GNLY and HDST. The GNLY contributes to our body's immunity, and of course, if there's a below average amount of GNLY, it can contribute to the Parkinson's disease. And next is the HDST, which contributes to the cell survival and proliferation. And of course, also, HDST, if there's a below average amount of HDST, it can contribute to the Parkinson's disease. Next are the overexpressed genes. I also picked two significant overexpressed genes, which were RNE1/1 and RNE1/3. They are much similar. They are RNA genes that are affiliated with the snRNA class, and they are related to a cycle called the spliceosomal splicing cycle. And this cycle has aberrant splicing events that correlate with the Parkinson's disease. I researched on this aberrant alternative splicing events and the Parkinson's disease using this website here. And if there's too much of these RNE1/1 and RNE1/3, it can also contribute and correlate with the Parkinson's disease. These are two plots. The graphs, and this is the first. The first plot is called the box plot, and as you can see, there's two colors. The first color, which is green, it shows the people who are healthy people, which are controlled variable, and the purple indicates the people with the Parkinson's disease. And as you can see, the sizes of the boxes, they are much consistent with each other, which means that there are no outliers in the experiment that the experimenters did. And next is the mean difference plot. And as said, if it goes upwards, the genes are much more significant. And if we go to the left or right side of the plot, then the genes become more overexpressed. For the conclusion, I will just restate my hypothesis that this is how I proved that there are specific genes that are either overexpressed or underexpressed that correlate with the Parkinson's disease. Thank you.